Some sad news about a legend at Nickelodeon, a legend on TV, really, and even in movies. Steven Hillenburg is the creator of SpongeBob SquarePants, but he passed away on Monday after battling ALS. He announced last year that he'd been diagnosed with ALS. He was only 57, but his family says he died on Monday, survived by his wife and his son. But Nickelodeon immediately, as soon as the news came out, was just gushing about how great a producer he was, a writer, director.
Well, this was literally the biggest cartoon of my childhood. I don't know if you guys know how big SpongeBob SquarePants was, but
I know that it's
kind of interesting.
Not just a kids thing too, which is why it's so popular.
Huge adult following as well. But what's kind of interesting is that he actually started as a marine biologist.
Oh, is that right? I didn't know that.
Yeah, so he taught marine biology in Orange County, and then he paired that with obviously his great artistic work and created SpongeBob.
And then got into animation, and he worked on another series at Nickelodeon before. Rocko's Modern Life, worked on that, and while he was there at Nickelodeon, started coming up with all the characters for SpongeBob, and legend was created.
Yeah, Vernon and VJ Husky here from Sherman Oaks, California. This is a sad moment for just not children, but also adults when it comes to cartoons. SpongeBob was a culture change, and it was just brilliant for him to take his marine biology experience and put it into animation, not just for kids, but for adults. So definitely a sad day in the cartoon world fans, not just for kids, but for adults too.
Yeah.
Major hit.
Yeah, definitely. He will be missed. And by the way, everyone knows about the TV series, but I didn't realize how big the movies were. Like the first one, there were two movies. The first one grossed over $140 million.
What?
I did not know it was that.
Seriously?
So, yes.
Wow.
Testament to SpongeBob and Steven's creation.